The 1962 Tiburon Shark Roadster emerged from a unique collaboration between artist-designer Henry Covington and aerodynamics expert Dr. August Raspet of Mississippi State University's Aerophysics Department. Their project began in the late 1950s with a groundbreaking vision to apply advanced aerodynamic principles to automotive design. The first prototype stood merely 42 inches high, built on a French Renault 4CV chassis. Unlike contemporary American sports cars that favored Volkswagen components, Covington chose Renault's mechanical platform. The sleek bodywork, crafted entirely from fiberglass, showcased styling elements reminiscent of Bertone's Alfa Romeo designs and Zagatto's Abarth creations. The Shark's development preceded the famous Corvette Mako Shark concept, featuring its own shark-inspired paint scheme. The rear engine configuration housed the Renault power plant, while the topless roadster design created a striking silhouette that turned heads wherever it appeared. Only 3 examples of the Shark were ever produced, making it an extraordinarily rare piece of automotive history. One particular Shark found its way to Clearwater, Florida, where it caught the attention of Geoffrey Hacker. Born in 1962, Hacker developed a deep passion for cars from an early age, restoring his first vehicle, a 1955 Cadillac Fleetwood, at just 17 years old. During his drives to and from work at the Caribbean Gulf Resort, he discovered the mysterious sports car behind a small building in downtown Clearwater. The Shark sat abandoned for over a decade, sinking 6 inches into the ground. Initially owned by a man named Rampon, who had purchased it for his daughter Sylvia, the car captivated young Hacker, who visited it regularly. After being initially told the car wasn't for sale, Hacker spotted an intriguing advertisement in the Auto Trader in August 1980. What the heck is it? It's a Shark last survivor known. 3 built, fiberglass body, Renault chassis and engine, 1959. Restorable, unbelievable car. Hacker, then 18 years old, immediately drove to see the car and purchased it for $350, every penny he had at the time. The restoration journey revealed numerous technical challenges. The original Renault 4CV engine required complete rebuilding by a specialist in Lake Wales, Florida. The electrical system needed total replacement. Interestingly, the entire wiring harness was constructed using green wire due to budget constraints. The deteriorated floor warranted collaboration with an air conditioning company to fabricate a new panel. A custom plexiglass windshield completed the exterior restoration. Throughout its life, the Shark experienced several transformations. Early mechanical upgrades included swapping the original Renault 4CV engine and transmission for components from a 1971 Renault R10. The car spent 5 years in a museum before returning to Hacker's collection, where it underwent another complete overhaul for its appearance at the 2013 Amelia Island Concours d'Elegance. The last-minute preparations for the Amelia Island show demonstrated the ongoing challenges of maintaining such a unique vehicle. The restoration team worked against time to install a new windshield and belly pan, aiming to present the car in its original glory with only minor modifications to the dashboard and windshield. Today, the Tiburon Shark Roadster serves as a testament to American automotive innovation. It continues to make appearances at prestigious events, including the Charlotte Motor Speedway's Pennzoil Auto Fair, where it shares the spotlight with other remarkable vehicles. The car's journey from an ambitious aerodynamic experiment to a preserved piece of automotive artistry exemplifies the dedication required to maintain America's automotive heritage. The Shark's story intertwines engineering excellence, artistic vision, and preservationist passion. From its wind tunnel-tested origins to its current status as a celebrated show car, the Tiburon represents a unique chapter in automotive history where independent designers and builders dared to challenge conventional automotive design.